WhatsUp Gold requires a valid license in order to function. When you install WhatsUp Gold for the first time, you enter your license key in the installation program. However, if you ever purchase a different license or need to migrate from one server to another, you may need to activate, deactivate, or refresh your license outside of the installation process. On your WhatsUp Gold server, open the Start menu and expand Ipswich WhatsUp Gold. Right-click Manage WhatsUp Gold License, select More, then Run as Administrator. In this program, you may see various options depending on the current status of your license. If you currently have a valid license applied to this server, you may see an option to refresh. Use this option when you have renewed a service agreement or added points, devices, or other features to your existing perpetual license. If you currently have a license for this server, you also see the option to deactivate. Use this option to remove the license from this server. For example, if you need to migrate WhatsUp Gold off this server and onto a new server. Or you may deactivate the current license when you have purchased a completely new type of license. For example, when replacing a free trial license with a paid license, or when moving from a perpetual license to a subscription license. Finally, if there is no license assigned to this server, you are prompted to enter your activation key to activate a license. The program contacts the Progress Activation servers online to process the license operation. If the process is successful, you will see a confirmation message. Click Finish. As a final step when refreshing or activating, you must restart the Ipswich Service Control Manager service and the IIS pool hosting the WhatsUp Gold web interface. You can look up your license activation code by logging into the WhatsUp Gold customer portal and navigating to Product Downloads. Locate the WhatsUp Gold product, then click Go to Download Center and WhatsUp Gold Platform. In the My Company list, click the asset name. Scroll down to the licensing area to see your activation code. You will also see the number of times you have already activated this license and the maximum number of activations allowed. You may also see links to download, deactivate, add, or renew the license. The deactivate option can be especially useful if you need to remove the license from an old server which is no longer available or does not have internet access. If you encounter a problem with activating your license, confirm that the license is listed in your customer portal and that you are using the correct activation code. It is also possible that a proxy or firewall may be blocking the activation request. In this case, try using the offline activation process documented in the customer portal. As mentioned previously, licenses allow a specific number of activations. If you reach your maximum, you must deactivate a license from one server before activating it on another. Finally, if you have installed WhatsUp Gold and need to update your license to include log management features, you cannot use the Manage WhatsUp Gold License program on the Start menu that we covered in this video. Instead, you must rerun the WhatsUp Gold installation package on your WhatsUp Gold server in order to not only provide your new license key, but also to properly install and configure the Elasticsearch instance that is required for log management. Thank you for watching this video on online license activation and management in WhatsUp Gold.